In the video MIG and MAG Welding Part 1, you can learn inert gas welding, using practical examples. The optimal welding result depends 100% on gas flow, wire feed, and the correct voltage. With this video, the beginner can train the most important welding techniques. But what does the perfect weld mean? And how do you achieve it? Before you start welding and are not yet familiar with the device, it is advisable to weld a few test points. The hobbyist can also learn one or the other trick for his own workshop. Techniques such as spot welding, butt weld, fillet weld, and round fillet weld are explained in detail. Welding professionals